how to use news to find and filter news events in web trading. Hello and welcome to TradeStation. Web trading makes it easier to read the latest headlines and stay up to date on your favorite stocks by using the news application. Just click on the news application icon if you're on an empty panel, or click on the plus sign and select News to add a tab next to other application tabs. Click on a title to read the full article. To go back, just click on the return arrow. Quickly filter the news titles displayed in the main body of the application by using the drop-down filter above. It lists news categories for you to choose from. If you don't have a preference and would like to see all the news titles, set the news filter to All Categories. Otherwise, hover your mouse over a news category to see a list of available channels to choose from. Click on a channel to show only the news titles specific to that channel, or click on All Channels if you prefer to show all the news titles within the selected news category. Looking for company-specific news? No problem. Type the company ticker symbol in the search box to get the latest news related to that company. Working with different symbols? Try symbol linking the news application to other applications in web trading so that getting the latest headlines is simple. All you need to do now is choose a layout for how you would like to see your news, and you're done. Now you'll be able to research, analyze, or study your favorite symbols in web trading while staying up to date on all the latest news. Thank you for watching.